Okay, I'll put some mixed herbs, some cloves, a couple of bay leaves. Somebody talked about putting some sugar in there, so there's me brown sugar. We're going to try that today. So I'm going to go 1, 2 there. And we've got the water. Alright. And a little bit of oyster sauce. And we'll finish that bottle off. My surprise, popped out of garlic. I'm lucky enough to put a little bit in the fridge. That, put a jar of it. And also in there I've got some ginger. Might put a little bit of ginger as well. And herb. And meat up. But I like it. Been going a good hour. Alright. It's not coming out too easy. I believe it's got to come out nice and easy for it to be ready, but there's still an hour to go. There they go, it's simmering away now on 2. A little bit more. Okay, we're at the 2-hour mark. Smells absolutely delicious. Yep, all onto there now. So, time to get the cabbage ready and the spuds, and it should be good. Alright, well we've added up some sweet potato and some carrots for the mash. Only myself tonight, they cook them for 1. Head off. Just drop the cabbage in there like that. It'll be beautiful. Okay. Get the meat out now. Let that stand for 5 minutes or so, don't they say? Baby. Aussie style.
It's really not my area to do something like this. Ocean currents.
Hey, that's it there.
Hardly is missing.
A little bit of pepper. English mustard, oh yeah.